Guys, so for our last lesson in geometric optics, we'll be looking at some common uses of light instruments or optical instruments. So first example is a light microscope, and these use multiple lenses to enlarge images of objects that are too small for our naked eye. And this is a compound microscope which has at least two convex lenses, and how they work is that each lens magnifies the image and the magnifications are multiplied. So it has one or more objective lenses which are closer to the object, hence the name objective lens, and these form images inside of the microscope right here. And then there are eyepiece lenses that are closer to the eye, and this is what enlarges the image created inside of the microscope.